Hi, I'm Leonie and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought you might like the recipe for this really easy to make cinnamon Christmas bread, and it's easy to make because there's no yeast, no waiting for rising, and the bread tastes absolutely delicious. It also makes a really cool Christmas gift idea. And it makes your home smell absolutely divine when it's baking. So it's really simple. You just need sugar, flour, baking powder, salt, eggs, milk, vegetable oil, some cinnamon, and some sugar. So pretty basic pantry essentials. I'll pop the full recipe in the description box below to make it easy. But essentially you have a bowl of dry ingredients and a bowl of wet ingredients. First up, I'm just adding the flour to the dry bowl, and then the sugar. That's the baking powder going in, some salt, and then the second bowl, as I said, is the wet ingredients, and in there I'm adding the eggs, the milk. I use Almond Breeze just because I like it, some vegetable oil, and then you slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. I decided to make the bread in these little individual loaf tins. I thought they looked super cute and they made great little Christmas gifts. This mixture was the perfect amount for these 4 little mini loaves, so I think it would probably be perfect for one large size loaf as well. Anyway, after I added the mixture, I then sprinkled the sugar and cinnamon mixture on top, and then you basically just mix it in to the mixture to make sure a little bit goes on the inside, but enough stays on the outside to go all crunchy and yummy once it's been baked. And then it's time just to pop them all in the oven. These took around 25 minutes to bake, and then they came out looking like this. So if you'd like to see more of these really quick and easy recipes, leave the word recipe in the comments below. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.